welcome to another Simple Dad Facebook tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Facebook search could not load results when you're searching. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So, are you facing issue in the Facebook app where Facebook search is not loading results for you? Then don't worry, as you're not alone, as a lot of other users are also facing the same issue. In this video, I'll explain why Facebook search could not load results and how to fix it. So there could be many reasons why Facebook results are not showing up. It could be a bug, Facebook server is down, your app is not up to date, your cache is full, or you're having Wi-Fi or mobile signal issue. So let's have a look at what steps you can take to resolve this issue. So the first step is to update your Facebook app to the latest version. You can go into the App Store or Play Store and update your Facebook app if there is an update available. After the update, go ahead and retry Facebook to see if this has resolved your issue. If not, then move on to the next step. The second step is to clear your cache. Unfortunately, you can only do this on an Android phone. To do this, go into Settings, Apps, find the Facebook app, tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. For iPhones, you need to delete the whole app and re-download it again. After you've done the Clear Cache step, go ahead and retry Facebook to see if this has resolved your issue. If not, then move on to the next step. The third step is to log out of Facebook and log back in. After you've done that, go ahead and try opening up Facebook and see if this resolved the issue. If not, then go ahead and move on to the next step. The fourth step is to restart your device. Sometimes the device itself can cause the issue. After restarting, make sure to test it on Wi-Fi only and on your mobile SIM. Now try opening up Facebook and see if this resolves the issue. If not, then go ahead and move on to the next step. In the fifth step, we'll download the older version of Facebook. Maybe the current version of Facebook app is not compatible with your device, hence you need to restore to the old version. Please see my description for the link to the old Facebook app. Before you download and install the old version, make sure you uninstall the current version from your device. After that, go ahead and try Facebook and see if this resolved the issue. If not, then go to the next step. Finally, if the issue still exists, then this is due to a bug in Facebook or on Facebook server itself. You can confirm this by going on to downdetector.com website and searching for Facebook. Here, study the graph as this will give you an indication of how many people are affected. If it is confirmed that there is a bug or server is down, then there is no fix for it and you just have to wait until the issue has been resolved by the Facebook team. Hopefully by following all my steps which I've mentioned in this video will help you resolve your issue with Facebook. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.